Hey guys, Lexus GX460 complete conversion body kit from 2010, 2012, 14, 15 to 2020, 2021 look, including body kit lip spoilers, including facelift grille with the plate holder. The headlights available with AFS or without AFS. It means with the leveling when you drive left and right motors. Tail lights available in smoke or the red. This is the fog lamps, all that brackets for the tail lights. This is the hood lock brackets, bumper supports, lower supports, metal and plastic. These are the frames for the fog lamps, including that chrome trim. Rear bumper lights, turn lights indicators, lip spoilers. So that's a conversion kit with a body kit, lip spoiler kit. Lights included, everything is included, splash guards, that fender liners, inner front that you need is also included here. That trim, lower trim for the bumper, that's the lower part for this bumper. It's also part of it, included. Chrome trims for the grille, lower parts. Yeah, bumpers are subject to be painted. Grille and body kit, it's already pre-painted, dark gray and hyper silver. Everything is in decent quality, fits really well. Thank you for watching.